if it can, this is good. Oh my god, they do work. Thank you so much. Like, I've been trying to get my headphones to work for a while by now, and they just wouldn't. They would just like make this weird sound in it. Well, let's see if I'm still recording. Okay. Welcome back to a video. Yes, I am gonna say this quickly because I want to get to finding an attack. We are at Town Hall 10. We have reached Titans in Town Hall 9. We have been in Town Hall 9. How am I playing so far? Just donate to my clan members. This is the second clan because the first clan didn't go out well, and I'll show you guys the first clan right here. It's literally this, like it's dead. Like it's dead. This clan, we're pretty good. I mean, clan war, we don't try in Clan War League. This Clan War League we will try. I'm just gonna stop talking. So, I mean. It feels good to be back. What should I say? I don't know what to say. I mean, I really don't know what to say. I'm not gonna be like those other YouTubers would be. Before the video even begins, I'm like, make sure to subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and ring that bell, please. I'm gonna say this. Please. Please subscribe to me to help me save my dog. Please. Oh my god, I just licked my mic. Well, okay, back to Clash. Stop talking about subs, just get back to Clash. I've been at this for a while. I just got to Town Hall 10 this morning. I got to Town Hall 10 this morning, and yet I have, like, everything I need for Town Hall 10. I'm just trying, now I'm gonna upgrade my, heroes and, my troops. Hold on. I'm gonna, what should I first upgrade? I don't know what I should first upgrade. Leave it in the comments down below what I should first upgrade. If you guys are able to do that. Anyways, alright, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Please make sure to subscribe, that'll help a lot. Let's help this channel grow. Help me grow, because I am still a 13-year-old boy who has low grades. Not really. I'm working on it. But, I mean, while we are looking for an attack on my other account on my phone, looking for, I just attacked the Town Hall 10 rushed for our loot because this guy had, like, such amazing loot. 7 trophies only, but this guy has, like, the best loot. Should we go for it? I'm just gonna exit out because there's like nothing else to see here. 4 trophies, okay. Just to tell you guys, I'm trying to push back to Titans. I'm gonna try and go further this time. Once I get, I'm gonna try. Oh my god, I can't speak today, dude. Okay. Am I able to speak now? Alright. Once I'm done with these, I'm gonna be upgrading these level 1 walls. These guys right here. And this guy right here. To at least the same level as this. Once they get to the same level, I'll start upgrading them. It'll take a long time for me to become the next Town Hall 10. It will take a long time. No matter what. Because Town Hall 10, once each level 10, you guys should know this by now, but if not, if you guys are new to the game, you're just gonna do it first. If you guys are new to the game, each level Town Hall will get 3 to champs, which, I mean, it got me really pissed, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna drop down. There's no point of me trying to get these trophies back, because all I'm gonna do is lose and lose and lose. So now I'm pushing as a Town Hall 10. I'm gonna push and push and push and push. I'm gonna try. This is my achievement. I mean, this is my goal. I'm gonna try and reach at least Titans 2 as a Town Hall 10, like the way I am right now. Once I get like halfway there, Titans 1, and I mean, yes, I know I won't be getting attacked like every single day, and there are clouds that I have to do. Oh crap, I forgot about clouds. I mean, alright, let me explain to you guys. If you don't know what clouds are, this is what they are. They are, you see what I'm looking at right now? Dang it. You see what I'm looking at right now? These are dark clouds. You stare at these for like hours or minutes. Once you get above, that's kind of long for me because I'm a bit impatient. I'm an impatient child. I mean, actually, it's fine. But this, like, you'll stare at that for like hours and hours, and sometimes you'll even have to like quit to like donate your clan or attack in war before it's too late, and you'll lose your spot. You'll lose your spot on finding a base. And once you get to 10s, you'll start like finding. I mean, once you get to legends, you'll start finding the Titans 2, which are only like 6 trophies, Titans 1, which are only like 13, and like Legends, which are only like 18 and above. I mean, it pretty much to me, it's, I feel bad for the people all the way up in Legends, to be honest. Let me see this guy right. I feel bad for the top players. I feel bad for all these guys. Okay, he is a clan. I feel bad for all of these players because they have to sit and they have to sit down and just stare at their phones for hours to try and find a base. Should we take this? I feel like we should. In fact, no, it's just the walls that make it so much. Just sometimes. Okay, first of all, start time. When I was pushing, like, about a month ago, I found this Town Hall 12 rushed, and it was in... Oh my god. Well, we have a quest now. Try and get back these 31 trophies. How many trophies? 4. Let's see. Well, I mean, I don't have to worry. Did I just look at? Oh my god! Holy crap! You guys never heard that voice crack, I don't know if I should take that train. I'm not gonna take that training potion yet. I'm gonna sell this. Oh wait, actually, no, I'm keeping that. I have to keep it. Yeah, fine, I'll take this training potion. Then after... Guys, this is the new skin that came out. It's the P.E.K.K.A. King. Kinda looks dumb, to be honest. But, like, you get, like, so many. And then after you get just like, these 2 at the end, 2 books of heroes, that'll help. Like, I could use that to upgrade my Electric Queen. Well, in the meantime, here's my clan. Here's the description. Please read it. I'll read it to you guys, I guess. Serious War Clan Rules 1. Don't be a douche. You do not want to be a douche or else you'll get kicked. Just like other players. Number 2. Respect everyone. I mean, it follows don't be a douche, because you gotta respect people. Number 3. Try your best even if you know you will fail. This goes out to many people. Like, I'm talking about war specifically. If you have to go against your, if you have to go against your opponent, your mirror, and they're, like, much more better than you, and they have, like, the most annoying thing in the clan castle, which are E-drags. Doesn't matter. Try your best or look for someone lower to attack. Number 4. Donate troops that are asked for. If I see someone who requests for Valks, like me, and I get balloons instead of Valks, I'm gonna find out who donated them, and they'll possibly kick you, maybe. Unless if you're like me this one. But I'll give you a warning. Let's see. Number 5. Use both attacks in war. Don't leave any attacks out. I mean, even though we are like already winning in war, we have 18 stars. I usually add like the 3 to 4 low people in my clan to make us get easier wars, which does help a lot. But if you can use both attacks, if you're one of the low people, it doesn't matter. Number 6, follow war notes. In war, I have these notes over here on who will attack. And yes, I know, Matthew attacked that, and he wasn't supposed to. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna be searching on my phone, I will be reading. 7, don't Yeah, we got about 5. Okay, there we go. Alright, well, we got 4 out of 31 trophies back. Now let's go back. Number 8, have a sense of humor. We are a pretty funny clan. We have a sense of humor, we always do. Even if we're mad, like me, I'm mad that I lost 31 trophies. But I can still have a sense of humor after that. I think that's it, right? Oh, and number 9. The minimum amount of points that you can get in clan games is 500. And that's the minimum amount of points. That's the most I will take. The minimum I will take. If not, you're gonna get the boots. And guess what, guys? This is gonna be a 1-hour video. Maybe. I hope not, because I know you guys don't want to hear me saying blah blah blah, yada 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 all the time. You don't want to hear me talking all the time. You just want to see me play. I get it. So what should we do next? Oh, let's check out the hero skins. Crap, I can't do that one. Here's the Archer Queen skin. I cannot do the Barb King because I don't have one. Here's the Archer Queen skin. Here's the normal one. Oh my god, okay guys, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, well, I'm back. I was so thirsty. I had to go get some water. Somehow I don't have water in my room, but okay. Alright, well, what should we do? Oh my. While that goes on, I'm gonna go on Clan and recruit it. To help us out in Clan War League. Town Hall 10 plus. Don't be dumb and join us. No rushers. Dr. Smith's lab, please join. If you don't, I'll come for you. I'll find you. I'll take your phone and sub to it. I mean, join. Well, sub to it. But I mean, this is it so far. Why do I keep on going there? We've all moved up one because there's just this one guy who left. His name was Mr. President. Let me try and find him up here. Yeah, there he is. He left. He doesn't donate at all. The most he's been in the clan for like about 2 weeks, and he hasn't donated 10 troops. I'm being dead. to Stardust. We failed badly. Alright, time to find another attack. Chime. Time. Chime. You see what I mean? I can't speak English. Can't attack you. What? What the heck? Are you like trying to help me out? Get my children wars. This is like definitely a base from like a long time ago, because now you cannot upgrade your town hall without getting the required stuff. Let me check him out. Man, this guy was in Legends? Holy crap. Malukas Town Hall 7. Vinny Town Hall 7. Victor. Mini Town Hall 10. And Victor again. Mini Boo. That's Mini. Mini Danny. Victor again. War Killer 2. War King. Vinny Town Hall 10. That's not a Town Hall 10. Vinny Town Hall 9. That is not a Town Hall 9. Victor Town Hall 7. That is a Town Hall 7. Nice push. That's a Town Hall 6. That's not a Town Hall 7. That's a Town Hall 8. Level 1. You're not level 1, buddy. Okay, well, thank you, Mini Town Hall 10, for giving me that. Alright, what should I do? I'm just gonna look for... Anticlimactic. The guy that I just attacked, most of his gold, all of his gold, is in the mines. Look at that. Okay. The guy that I attacked in my mini account, he most of his, stuff. Alright, you know what, I'm not gonna get this started. Most of his, how do I say it? Most of his loot was in his drills, and most of my loot are in my drills. No. Most of my loot are here. Well, why don't we just look over this? Dude, I have so much dark to take. So you got a Rune of Dark. You see, Rune of Dark Elixir. That's what I'm talking about. Rune of Gold. Rune of Elixir right there. You got a Resource Potion right there. You got 5 wall rings, 7k dark, 7.5k dark. Power Potion, 15% research boost, 15% builder boost, 10k dark, 15% training boost. Now these guys will help me a lot. Clock Tower Potion, bigger Season Bank, Hero Potion, and 1 mil gold. Builder Potion, Rune of Builder Gold, Rune of Builder Elixir. I don't think I need those. Another Builder Potion. Clock Tower Potion, 1 mil Elixir, 20%, 20%, Research Builder Training Boost. 1.5 mil Gold. Bigger Season Bank Power Potion, Shovel of Obstacles, Power Potion again, 15k, Dark Elixir. 5 wall rings again. 1.5 mil, Elixir, Book of Heroes, and last but not least, the hero, P.E.K.K.A. King. Damn, this is gonna be so was pretty surprising. Okay. Alright guys, it's gonna be my last battle of the day before I have to leave. Yes, this was a pretty long video, I know. It's long. Bear with me. I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm back. Last battle of the day, like I said. Hopefully it's a good one. I know that we didn't get all the trophies back, but we're still good. Oh my god. I remember those good days of me. I have the video. Okay, we got half of my trophies. No, we got half of it back. Okay, let's see. So we got 19, 20. We got 29 trophies. We're just missing 2. Just 2. We did it, guys. I'll count it as a win. Now I'm just gonna get attacked. I'll post a video of how this base works. I think I can. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I could share more videos with you. And go follow my Instagram at Dr. Shmev. That video, I have a clip of me attacking the Town Hall 10. I mean the Town Hall 12. A rush Town Hall 12 for about like a crap ton of trophies. He was in Titans 1. So make sure to go check that out. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the day that I will be at 4,000 trophies. Peace.